Just did a water change. Got the pup here hanging out. Hey guys. Just fed him too, it's a little dirty. Stacked up, these are all the cichlid stones. All of them have holes in them, and I made little pathways throughout. That way the clown loaches go chill in there. And I got a couple cichlids that like to go in there as well. And I got a pup over here and a pup over there. James, say hi. Say hi, James. Charles. Gulba. There's the clowns marching on. I think I have 16 clowns in here, so tank upgrade's gonna be necessary. Yeah, this is what I get to watch with the TV above it. It's a nice little spot to hang out. And the other tank's over there. Hope you enjoyed the video.